PNP forced to hold press conference as Andrew Holness withholds relief money. People suffering. Can you imagine? The People's National Party had to hold a press conference today just to tell Jamaica that Andrew Holness and his government are withholding the donation money meant for hurricane victims. Let that sink in. People are suffering, and the Prime Minister is playing politics with their pain. Today's press conference by the PNP wasn't about politics. It was about people. Tears filled the eyes of members of Parliament as they spoke about the devastation across Jamaica. Homes destroyed, children hungry, families still in darkness after Hurricane Melissa. But what broke hearts even more was the truth that came out. Andrew Holness has been withholding the relief donations and funds that were sent to help the people. Money from aid agencies, money from the diaspora, even insurance payouts, all locked away inside the office of the Prime Minister, under tight control. The PNP had to go public because communities led by opposition MPs are not getting a cent. People in St. Elizabeth, Westmoreland, St. James, crying for help while the government pretends everything is fine. As one Jamaican said online, the PM got over $300 million from just 2 lifters. Why can't he start giving the people even one room to rebuild? Another added, all of the donations are in the OPM under lock and key. Only the ruling party getting benefits. That's not leadership. That's punishment for being poor and unaligned. The PNP members, Mark Golding, Natalie Neita Garvey, Dr. Dayton Campbell, Zuleika Jess, Dr. Alfred Dawes, Buchanan, and Nekeisha Burchell, stood together to expose it. They didn't do it for fame. They did it for fairness. Right now, PNP MPs are digging into their own pockets to buy food and supplies for their people. That should never happen when Jamaica has already received millions in relief funds. So this is our cry for help. If the government won't help, then the people must. Jamaicans at home and abroad, reach out, send supplies, support your PNP representatives who are doing the real work on the ground. Because while Andrew Holness withholds help, it's the people who pay the price. So the government really expect Jamaicans to trust this so-called Relief and Recovery Oversight Committee when some of the very same people on it have crooked and sticky finger pasts? Desmond McKenzie, Daryl Vaz, Keith Duncan, Audrey Marks, Babsy Grange, Robert Montague, all recycled faces, some with sticky fingers passed, from a system that loved to talk transparency but hide the real truth behind closed doors. Not one member from the PNP was given the chance or allowed to chair on that committee. Not one independent voice, just the same clique watching over millions in relief money, while people in the West can't find food or clean water. Jamaica deserves better than this. We need accountability, not another cover-up committee. This was not just a press conference, and this was a cry from the heart. The PNP had to speak because silence would mean watching people starve while the government hides behind green curtains. If you believe that no leader should block help from the people, drop a thumbs up in the comments, subscribe to Michy commentary, where truth still has a home. Until next time, I'm Michy, and this is Jamaica's Voice Unfiltered.